So after finish the glaze, the contouring, the 4-unit case, as you saw the occlusion anatomy. So I have to add two more class 2 and class 1. So first I set up the cusp. To increase the marginal ridge. I don't have to follow just like other side. I mean, it's like the train, it's a piano. You can go to the different routes just like that. So then second premolar will be done, right, like this. So I got the cusp, the facially, and then bring it in. It's a little bit higher than marginal ridge. It's very tiny one. Separate it. It's good, right? That's the first premolar. Second premolar done. And then molar. Just need a little bit more. Okay, and then make ridge. And then down. This is porcelain fused metal. Tar ceramic. Okay, and then raise the linger cusp like here. Also created about the ridge and contour. Halfway done. Same thing here. Higher, lower. Makes sense? Okay. Now the another one. You don't have to make the 3 low when we don't have any. I would just care about the occlusion contact and the 2 small phallogy. Okay, like this. You can add just a little tiny underneath and then created the secondary ridge. And not only this, the facial contour is imperative here. This is kind of a little bit different position. I don't have to make the height of contour here because compared to other one is too fat, right? Okay. So that one is I would like to share about that, and my people can learn about all these kind of things. This is a real true layer, which is not many people know. All the time painted. Alright, so that one is the can do very little. And then create it. So key is here, so we don't have to make the same. Just trying to train my technician. Right, that's good. So I make another here, just a little tiny bit. And then you get the better occlusion aesthetic. Now I'm going to fire it. So after took it out, Then I put a little bit, just a little bit more close in between the tools. So then, you see, with the brush, then I don't have to grinding like this. Same thing. Keep have moisture. Okay, so here, so you don't have to grinding too much in between the tools. Okay, here. Move it. See? Add just a little tiny one. That's what we call layering technique. Guys, so for more video in Patreon, thanks for the membership. And you can see there are a lot of video for our YouTubes. Our people's work really hard. The cusp is slightly out, right? But make a little bit more longer. Of course, you have to check the occlusion all the time. But I want to check the cusp, the line angle. See here, this, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So once you set up, here just a little bit, add a little bit here too. Increase the linger contour and support opposing dentition as well. So after finish the glaze, the contouring, the 4-unit case, as you saw the occlusion anatomy, this is layering technique for metal ceramics. It's different enamel color and trying to bring it in the vocal contour, just like other side, to match the class 2. There was another metal ceramics going on. Okay.